Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sainte-Therese local and long-distance movers near me. You can hire a cheap Sainte-Therese moving company pretty easily. However, getting a team that is also trustworthy isn't as easy. 3 Movers offers plenty of options when you need local and long-distance moving services. Our team will offer plenty of options to ensure you get the fastest and easiest move, no matter how far you need to go. With the right long-distance moving options, you can easily relocate. We offer packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. You can get plenty of options when you work for us when it comes to your long-distance move. We give you all kinds of options to make it super easy to relocate 100 miles away or further. If you're looking to handle a local move, getting the right Canada moving company will make a difference. There are plenty of benefits to spending the money to hire professionals, even when it's just a local move. 3 Movers will offer all the right options to help you get to where you need to go locally. Whether it's a few miles away or across the city, we can make your local move simple. Our team can handle a 3-day move in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sainte-Therese moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.